Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to use QR code scanner in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the notification area and swipe down again and swipe from the right side to left side. And here you will have QR code scanning option. Just click it. And now bring any QR code under the screen. Here I bring this one, and yes, it is scanned. Okay, and information is showing here. This is the information. Once again I am telling that go to notification area and find QR code scanner there. Scan QR code icon, just click it. Now you got to bring any QR code under the screen. So here I bring this one and it is scanned now. In this way you can scan any QR code from your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.